Okay, 8b, we've got side A is 55. We've got angle A is 110, so clearly not to scale, but doesn't matter in the slightest bit. And C is 20. So let's identify our first set of opposites is 55 and 110. We have a set of opposites, which means we're using the law of sines again, except this time, since the other thing we know is a side, we're going to be solving for an angle first, and not just any angle. We're going to be solving for angle C. So let's say the sine of angle C divided by 20 equals that pink ratio, the sine of 110 divided by 55. So what are we going to get? Well, we're going to get the sine of angle C equals 20 times the sine of 110 divided by 55, just like that, which then means C will equal the inverse sine of that entire thing. And in your calculator, this is how I would type it. Hit the second sine button to get your sine inverse and that parenthesis, then type 20, type the sine button, it'll give you that parenthesis, type your 110, close just one parenthesis, then divide by 55, hit enter, and you should get your answer to be 19.981, and remember that is an angle, so those are measured in degrees. So we found angle C right there, which means we can find angle B, which will allow us to find side B. So angle B is going to equal 180 minus that 110 minus that 19.981, which will give us B equals 50.019 degrees, which we can now use to set up a proportion to find our third side, B. So we know that B divided by the sine of 50.019 will equal, what's a ratio we know? Well, we know the 110 and the 55. Let's go with that. Equals 55 divided by the sine of 110. And so then B equals 55 times the sine of 50.019 divided by the sine of, oh no, I'm out of space, the sine of 110. Enter that in, and you should find that B equals 44.849.